Most people do not go broke from one huge mistake. They go broke slowly. One small payment here. One I deserve this purchase there. One upgraded car. One dinner they could not afford. One subscription they forgot about. And the scary part is this. Most of these money traps do not feel dangerous while you are doing them. They feel normal. That is why they are so powerful. Wealthy people are not wealthy only because they make more money. Many of them build wealth because they quietly avoid the traps that everyone else keeps falling into without thinking. Here are 10 silent money traps that wealthy people avoid, that keep others broke. Trap number 1. Buying things to look successful. This is one of the biggest traps in America. A person buys the expensive car, the newest phone, the designer shoes, or the luxury apartment, not because they truly need it, but because they want to look like they are doing well. But wealthy people understand something most people learn too late. Looking rich and becoming rich are two completely different lives. One takes money out of your pocket. The other keeps money working for you. Trap number 2. Paying interest on things that lose value. This is where many people quietly destroy their future. They finance cars, furniture, phones, clothes, and vacations, but the item loses value while the debt keeps growing. That means they are paying extra money for something that is worth less every month. Wealthy people use debt carefully. They do not let debt control their life. Trap number 3. Letting lifestyle grow with income. This is why many people make more money but still feel broke. They get a raise and immediately upgrade everything. Better apartment, better car, more expensive food, more shopping, more subscriptions. The raise disappears before it ever builds wealth. Wealthy people do the opposite. When their income rises, they do not rush to spend more. They increase the gap between what they earn and what they spend. That gap is where wealth is built. Trap number 4. Emotional spending. Stress spending, boredom spending, revenge spending.
Treat yourself spending. The problem is not one small purchase. The problem is using money to fix emotions. Stores, apps, and ads are designed to make you buy before you think. Wealthy people pause. They ask, do I really need this, or am I just trying to feel better for 5 minutes? That one question can save thousands over time. Trap number 5. Not knowing where the money goes. Many people check their bank account and feel shocked. They say, I don't even know where it went, but that is the problem. Money you do not track becomes money you lose. Subscriptions, delivery fees, small shopping trips, coffee runs, app purchases alone, they look harmless. Together they can destroy your savings. Wealthy people watch their money. Not because they are cheap, because they...
Credit cards can look normal, but the interest is brutal. A small balance can grow into a long-term problem if it is not paid off. Wealthy people do not see credit card interest as a small fee. They see it as money being stolen from their future. Every dollar paid in interest is a dollar that cannot be invested, saved, or used for freedom. Trap number 7. Upgrading too often. New phone, new car, new clothes, new gadgets. The world trains people to believe newer means better. But wealthy people ask a different question. Does the old one still work? If it works, they keep using it. Because they know the goal is not to own the newest thing. The goal is to own more of their time, income, and future. Trap number 8. Spending time like it has no value. This trap is not just about money. It is about attention. Hours of scrolling, hours of drama, hours of content that teaches nothing. Wealthy people protect their time, because time turns into skill, knowledge, income, and opportunity.
The person who uses free time to learn money, business, or investing will eventually live differently from the person who only consumes entertainment. Trap number 9. Following broke social pressure. Sometimes the biggest money trap is your circle. If everyone around you normalizes expensive nights out, car payments, credit card debt, and showing off, your brain starts to think that is normal. Wealthy people are careful about the environment they live in. They do not need to cut everyone off, but they do stop letting other people's spending habits control their future. Trap number 10. Only looking at the monthly payment. This is one of the most dangerous traps. People ask, can I afford the payment?
Wealthy people ask, what is the total cost? The monthly payment hides the real damage. Interest, insurance, maintenance, fees, depreciation, and lost investing opportunity. A cheap monthly payment can still be an expensive life decision. And this is the real lesson. Wealthy people are not saying no because they hate enjoying life. They are saying no because they understand what every yes costs. Every dollar has two values: what it buys today and what it could become tomorrow. Most people only see today. Wealthy people see the future. So, the goal is not to become cheap. The goal is to become aware. Before you buy something, ask, am I buying this for value or validation? Am I paying interest on something losing value? Will this make my future lighter or heavier? Is this a real need or just an emotional reaction? Because wealth is not built by one perfect decision. It is built by quiet refusals repeated over time. You do not become wealthy by looking rich. You become wealthy by avoiding the silent traps that keep everyone else broke. And if you want to start today, start with one trap. Find the one that is draining your money right now and refuse it.